In this video, we're going to look at screen configurations. The screens are the screen layouts you see on the Jupyter system when you log in. Here, we click on Maintenance, Screens, and we will see a list of all the screens that are currently on your system. If we want to edit a screen, we can click on one of the screen layouts. So if we want to edit food, we will click the Edit button, and it will show us the screen. We can change any button by simply clicking on it, or we can add new buttons by clicking in the none boxes. What you do now is you choose what you want the button to be. So this, we will say we want it to be a product. It will ask you what product group you want it to call from. So let's say an extras, and then it will show you all the products within the extras group. We can say they want extra beans. We can then choose the style. So we can say we want it to be bold, and the font size we want to be 14. We can click the next down, which is color. Foreground may be black, and the background may be yellow. And size and position, we can choose the size of the button, and also we can move it around the screen. Under options, we can also delete a product or delete a button. We can multi-add lots of products in one go by clicking on the button where we want it to be, click Product Map under the Operations drop-down, and we drag the square where we want the products to go, the size of the button we wish it to be, and then we can simply use the tick boxes on the left-hand side to say which items you want to appear on there. And you can click as many will fit in the space you've just drawn. You can choose foreground. I'm going to have blue text on a yellow background. Click select, and it will put all the products in there that you've chosen. You can also copy styles. So if we change that to be a smaller font, and we choose that to be red, if we wanted to copy that throughout, we can click on the style button, click the copy design stamp, and click the buttons where we want it to change. At the top, we also have the option for immediate and timetabled. Immediate, when we click save, will send these changes down to the till almost immediately. If we click timetabled, we can click on the calendar, select any time and date in the future to send the changes down. So here we will say Monday morning at 9 AM. Clicking save, we'll put that in a holding list, and at 9 AM on Monday morning, the food screen will appear. We can see in the pending updates there, we have a little clock. The little clock tells us that this is a pending update. We can also copy screens using the copy to new screen. So that will copy an entire new screen with what we have there. So if we wanted a new food screen, we could say, are you sure? Yes. And that will copy it at the bottom there and put a new screen there called copy of food. And we can change that to be whatever we wish. Clicking the save icon will send that down to the till.